Mind-blowing facts about our solar system that will leave you stunned. Mercury, closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in our solar system. A year on Mercury is just 88 Earth days, but a single day lasts the equivalent of 176 Earth days due to its slow rotation. Mercury has an extremely thin atmosphere and no moons, one of the most cratered planets in our solar system due to a lack of geological activity to resurface the planet. Venus. Venus rotates backwards compared to most other planets, with the Sun rising in the west and setting in the east. Hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures over 450 degrees Celsius, 850 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than Mercury despite being further from the Sun. Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid that trap heat. It has no moons and rotates very slowly, with one Venus day lasting the equivalent of 243 Earth days. Earth is the only planet in our solar system with liquid water on its surface, making it capable of supporting life as we know it. It has a single large moon, the fifth largest in the solar system. Earth's rotation causes day and night, while its tilted axis causes the seasons as it orbits the Sun. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans of salt water. Mars. Mars is often called the red planet due to the iron oxide, rust, that gives its surface a reddish hue. Has the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons, which is almost 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Mars has 2 small, irregularly shaped moons, named Phobos and Deimos. Evidence suggests Mars once had flowing water and a thicker atmosphere that has since escaped into space. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, so massive that it contains more matter than all the other planets combined. It's a gas giant with swirling cloud bands, the most recognizable being the Great Red Spot, a giant storm larger than Earth. Jupiter has a faint ring system and 95 confirmed moons, the 4 largest being the Galilean moons. A day on Jupiter lasts just under 10 hours due to its rapid rotation, but a year lasts almost 12 Earth years. Saturn. Saturn is most famous for its bright, beautiful rings made of ice and rock particles. It has 53 confirmed moons, with Titan being the largest moon in our solar system, even larger than the planet Mercury. Saturn is a gas giant less dense than water, so it would float if there was a bathtub big enough to hold it. Winds in Saturn's upper atmosphere can reach 1,800 kilometers per h, nearly supersonic speeds. Uranus. Uranus rotates on its side relative to its orbit around the Sun, rolling along like a barrel. It has a blue-green color due to methane gas in its atmosphere. Uranus has 27 known moons and faint rings that were the first to be discovered in the modern era. It takes Uranus 84 years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Neptune. Neptune has the fastest winds in our solar system, with speeds over 2,000 kilometers per h. It has a very active storm system, the most famous being the Great Dark Spot, a raging storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune has 14 known moons, the largest being Triton, which has geysers spewing nitrogen gas and dust particles. Neptune takes 165 years to orbit the Sun, and its discovery in 1846 was predicted before it was directly observed. FX. Which planet rains diamonds? On Saturn and Jupiter, extremely high atmospheric pressures cause carbon to crystallize and form diamonds that rain down through the planet's atmospheres. Talk about an out-of-this-world diamond shower. Is there a planet that spins so fast you could outrun a speeding bullet? Yes, Jupiter's rapid rotation means its equatorial clouds race at over 28,000 miles per hour, far faster than a bullet. You could literally run laps around the entire planet in under 5 hours if you could survive the extreme conditions. What's the only planet that spins backwards? Venus is the renegade of our solar system, spinning backwards, retrograde rotation, compared to most other planets. A single day on Venus is equivalent to 243 Earth days. True or false? There's a planet less dense than cork that would float on water? True. Saturn's average density is just 0.7 g per cubic centimeter, less than water, meaning this ringed beauty would effortlessly float if you could find an ocean large enough to hold it.